Now I request Professor A. Karunakar Garu, Dean Faculty of Arts, to address the teachers.
Good morning to all. Professor D. Ravinder, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Osmania University. Professor C. Ganesh, Principal, University College of Arts and Social Sciences. Professor K. Narendra, Dean Faculty of Arts. Dr. B. Vijaya, Vice Principal, College of Arts and Social Sciences. Dr. Ajimuddin, Vice Principal, Arts College. Professor Taras Sultana, OUEC member, my dear colleagues, non-teaching staff members, students and research scholars, and media persons, good morning to one and all. I thank Professor Ganesh for organizing this event, felicitating our colleague who has assumed the highest office in the academics. I know Dr. Professor Ravinder from his MA days, though we were not very intimately, knowing each other, but after joining in the service, we came to know each other very well. He is an excellent academician and an able administrator. Why I am telling this is that, we have seen him is the way he tackled the issues at PG College Secunderabad, and he has put his mark there as an able administrator. And taking the arts college as a principal is a challenging job. But he took that challenge, and for 3 years, and we have seen what new innovative things he has brought in this college. Just now, Dr. Vijay has informed us many new ideas like research committees, and this college is the first college under his able administration. We have completed successfully 2 RUSA projects, and that was acknowledged by the former Vice Chancellor, Professor S. Ramchandram. And sorry. And as is not new to this kind of a thing, therefore, as a Vice Chancellor, he will definitely will be successful. He will put his mark there because Usmania University is no new to the challenges or to the problems. And knowing these things, he has readily accepted this difficult job. Vice Chancellor job is not an easy job; it's a very difficult job. Just now, Professor Ganesh has requested him to give him the employees. Now, where should he will get and give him? He has to arrange those things to satisfy Ganesh, Dr. Ganesh. And also, doing a massive exercise for recruitment, that is not an easy job. But, he will definitely do it by using his good offices and by taking what we call the help from the fellow administrators. Because how he has run this arts college, we know it. And all the staff members of arts college, including the non-teaching staff and even the scholars, students and the senior professors were with him in implementing the new ideas in the arts college. And that has paved a way for him that, to say that he is an able administrator. Sometimes, some people will be a good academicians but will not be an able administrators. But these people are born to be both. A person coming from a humble background will not come that easily to this level unless he has a fire in his belly. He came with a fire in his belly to this place, and that exploded to be a Vice Chancellor. Now we have a Vice Chancellor in front of us. So he became a role model to the most of the rural students who can aspire, highest positions by means of hard work, not by means of, hanky-panky things, by means of hard work. He should put a mark in the academics, that students should say that he is a good teacher, good academician. Scholars should say that he is a good researcher, because a student who is doing PhD under him, I simply joined under him, but he doesn't know anything. But a scholar saying that he is a good researcher, where he can tell about the what we call various books, which they have to what we call to read and to use for their research work. So without that, a teacher cannot, come to this highest position. So therefore, these are all qualities, the Dr. Ravindra has all these qualities that, the government and thought that, he can do something, because university, this Usman city needs an able administrator and who can knows everything from the what you call, from the grassroots level, then only, he can justify these things. I think Professor Ravindra will definitely do these things, and in future we will know that, that Ravindra was one of the best vice chancellors of Osmania University, and I pray to the Almighty that give him a good strength, and also we are with him in all his endeavors. Thank you very much.